So here we go with another round of Leete's bonus questions. If you've made it this far, you're probably doing pretty well. Hopefully some of this stuff is coming back in your mind, and hopefully you're feeling a little more confident about what you're going to be doing here with the ACT test. So if you are ready, here we go with Leete's bonus questions. Okay, so here we go with this question. You have a set of points, a set of data points up here. And I want you to state the domain and the range for those data points. Furthermore, decide whether or not these points are a function. Is it a function? To do that, I'd recommend you taking a look at a graph. And then once you're also doing that, which quadrants of the graph is it actually in? First, second, third, or fourth, or a few of them, okay? Next question's on the next page. On this question, I'd like you to find the product. First one, here it is. You're multiplying this factor times that factor, and you're going to find the product. And this is the second one. You're multiplying these two parts together. Whether you use FOIL or the box, it doesn't really matter. Just find the product, work slowly, work carefully, and then move to the next page for the next question. Okay, so here we go. This time we are going to factor each polynomial. This is the first one you've got. Here's the second one. If the first one's looking a little bit weird because I have x's and y's, maybe try the second one first. A lot of times you guys were trying to do the box backwards. You would set up a little square, and then you'd put in the 25a squared up in the top corner and the 4 in the bottom corner and figure out what are the outer parts. The outer parts of the box are what would be the factors. This one up here, just works slowly. Again, the bottom corner, it's just going to be a y squared in that bottom right corner. It's not a big deal. See what you can do, okay? Ask questions. Move on to the next page for the next question. Okay, on this one, we're talking about how many ways are there to form a team of 7 players from 15 people. So clearly this is going to be sort of a combinations or a NCR and PR. Is it a combination or is it a permutation? Remember, permutations are picky when the order of it actually matters. Combinations, they need it to be unique. Yeah, just got to think about it, okay? I'm going to let you wrestle with this one or try both and see which answer seems to make more sense for this kind of question. Okay? Have a good time. Move to the next page for the next problem. In this one, find the missing side, A. You've got 18 inches as your height, 30 inches is your hypotenuse. What is A? I would recommend, Pythagorean, because it is a right triangle. Move to the next page for the next question. On this one, you've got here 2 nice rectangles, both of which are right angles. You've got a 14 and a 6 on the first one, and you've got a 9 and a 6 on the second one. Are these 2 shapes, are they similar, are they congruent, or are they neither? Be prepared to justify your answer. Why? Are they similar, congruent, or are they neither? Move to the next page for the next question. Okay, so on this question, you've got a set of data here. Here's a nice set of data. Those are actually the number of students present at 7 different student meetings. We had the first student meeting had 23, then 45 students present. Then on the third meeting, I only had 16, 75 present, 32, 35, and 28. So this is how many students were at each meeting. I'd like you to find the mean, the median, and the mode. Also, what is the standard deviation? And then draw a box plot. And of course, it wouldn't be right if we didn't try to explain in a sentence each one of these things. Okay, so what do each one of these things actually mean once you have them, okay? And that is the last of the questions. I hope you do well on your ACT, and there's only one more video to watch.